I was minutes away from giving up. Literally ready to shut everything down. My dreams felt too far, my efforts felt wasted, and life wasn't giving me a single reason to keep fighting. But then I remembered something powerful. Every successful person was once exactly where I'm standing. They were tired, broken, frustrated, just like me. And suddenly a thought punched through my mind. What if I'm quitting right before my breakthrough? What if the moment I walk away is the same moment life was finally about to open the door? So I took a deep breath and stood up again. Not because things got easier, but because I realized one truth: pain doesn't mean stop. Pain means growth. Every delay, every rejection, every lonely night is not failure, it's preparation. And if you're listening to this right now, maybe life is preparing you too. Don't end your story in the middle of the chapter. Hold on a little longer. Your breakthrough might be just one more step away.